Do you say whatever when you're annoyed? It instantly makes you sound immature and dismissive. Strong communicators don't shut down conversations. Watch carefully. Subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Whatever is vague and often disrespectful. It signals frustration, not confidence. Instead of closing the conversation, choose precise language. Here are 6 upgrades. 1. When you disagree, instead of whatever, say, I see your point, but I disagree. I understand, but I have a different opinion. I'm not convinced. Example, I see your point, but I have a different perspective. That sounds mature. 2. When you don't care about the choice, instead of whatever you choose, say, I'm fine with either option. It doesn't matter to me. I don't have a strong preference. Example, I'm fine with either restaurant. Clear, neutral, respectful. 3. When you're ending an argument, instead of whatever, say, let's leave it there. We can agree to disagree. It's not worth arguing about. Example, we can agree to disagree. That shows emotional control. 4. When you're frustrated, instead of passive-aggressive whatever, say, that's frustrating. I'm a bit disappointed. I'm not happy about that. Example, I'm a bit disappointed with the outcome. Express emotion directly. 5. When you mean anything is okay, instead of whatever is fine, say, anything works. I'm open to suggestions. I'm flexible. Example, I'm flexible with the schedule. This sounds cooperative. 6. When you want to move on, instead of whatever, forget it. Say, let's move on. It's not a big deal. We can discuss something else. Example, let's move on to the next topic. Confident, controlled. Hidden rule. Whatever avoids communication. Advanced speakers clarify intention. Instead of hiding behind vague words, clarity shows confidence. Control shows maturity. Thanks for watching until the end. If you're interested in IELTS and want to improve step by step, please check out my Gumroad link in the video description. I've made practical materials that you can actually use for your study. And if this video helped you even a little, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is my next goal, and your support really helps me keep creating free lessons like this. Subscribes and likes are what keep this channel going. They're the reason I can keep making more helpful English videos for you. If you want to watch more lessons right now, click one of the videos on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.